Welcome to the Middleton floor plan here at Newcastle Homes. The Middleton exterior has a very stately look with brick and stone combination. It also comes with a covered front porch for all of your sitting needs. On the main level of the Middleton, you have a designated dining room, as well as a great room, eat-in kitchen combination. In the great room, you will have a fireplace that centers the room, as well as that flows into the kitchen with your big kitchen island and walk-in pantry. Off of your kitchen, you will have a porch and deck combination that overlooks your backyard. Off of the kitchen, you will have a secondary bedroom with a full bath combination as well as a separate laundry room. As you make your way through the great room, you will have the master bedroom with the master suite, which includes double vanities, a walk-in shower, and tub combination with a large walk-in closet. As you make your way upstairs, you will find two more bedrooms with a Jack and Jill double vanity bathroom in the middle, as well as an option to finish a fifth bedroom and bathroom. As you make your way downstairs, you will find an unfinished basement. When you buy the Middleton, you have the option of finishing out a basement, which adds a bedroom, bathroom, and a second living area. For more information about the Middleton or any other floor plan that we offer here at Newcastle Homes, please visit our website at newcastle-homes.com.